Welcome to our channel where we decode the mysteries of technology. Today, we're lifting the curtain on Altered AI, the revolutionary artificial intelligence system that's taking the world by storm. But what exactly is Altered AI? It's an advanced neural network that learns and adapts to enhance its performance, just like the human brain. Unlike traditional AI systems, Altered AI can refine itself over time, becoming more accurate and efficient with every iteration. So how does this groundbreaking technology work? It all starts with massive amounts of data. Altered AI is fed with an enormous dataset, allowing it to comprehend and analyze information quicker than ever before. It can process images, texts, and even voice inputs within mere seconds. But here's the real magic: Altered AI doesn't just learn from its initial dataset. It continuously learns and refines itself based on real-time user interactions. When you use Altered AI products, your feedback and experiences contribute to its ongoing development, making it smarter and more intuitive. Imagine a brilliant analyst working tirelessly to analyze complex patterns and predict outcomes. That's Altered AI. It can detect hidden correlations in data, making accurate forecasts and insights that are invaluable in various industries, such as finance, healthcare, and transportation. However, you might be wondering about privacy and security. Don't worry. Altered AI is designed with strict privacy safeguards. All user data is anonymized and aggregated, ensuring complete confidentiality. Your personal information remains protected while helping to enhance the system. In a world where every second counts, Altered AI gives us the power to make better decisions faster. It's revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with technology. So embrace the future and unlock the full potential of Altered AI. Thanks for watching our video on the secrets behind Altered AI. If you found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more groundbreaking content like this. Together, let's shape the future through technology.